Good evening. The head of Alberta Health Services is looking for a new job. Just moments ago, the health board announced it has fired Stephen Duckett. Duckett has been under fire himself for days, ever since he refused to comment on recent controversies within the Alberta health system, telling reporters at one point he was too busy eating his cookie. That set off a firestorm of criticism, not only from patient advocates, but from the Tory government as well. And it all proved to be too much, even for the health board, which has defended Duckett's performance in the past. Today, it gave him his walking papers. Our reporter Chris Epp joins us live now with more on the fallout. Chris, Duckett is now out of a job, but it doesn't mean taxpayers are off the hook.
No, that's right, Jocelyn. And Ken Hughes, the chair of the board, did say they would honor the terms of termination under Stephen Duckett's contract. I'll tell you what exactly that is. It stipulates he gets a large payout if he gets fired, including 1 year's salary. Well, for Stephen Duckett, that's $575,000. So that starts now. He also gets 15% of that on top in lieu of benefits he'll lose. That's another $86,000, and up to $20,000 in moving expenses for a total of $681,250 as part of his severance. Now, just in the last few moments, Mr. Hughes, chair of the board, did say that at least one board member has resigned as a result of this decision. That is a board member out of Edmonton named Gord Winkle, and he says there could be other resignations still coming from within the Health Services Board. Dr. Chris Eagle, an MD and administrator from here in Calgary, has been appointed as the interim head of the board, although the search process for a new permanent person in that job begins immediately. We also asked, well, was this what's being known as Cookiegate part of this, his comments, his perceived insensitivity? Is that what led to Duckett's firing? And Ken Hughes did say that was part of it. Friends of Medicare just speaking out about this right now too, saying they expected his dismissal, that he was never the right person for the job, but also that implying that he's not the only person to blame here. So the Premier and the Health Minister are expected to comment very shortly. We'll have more on what they said coming up in our news at 5:30 and 6.
All right, thanks very much, Chris. A Lethbridge man, police say